Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. I did. How was yours? Let me know down below in the comment section. Also, happy first day of Kwanzaa. Can you believe 2025 is about to come to an end? This whole year went by fast, and in 5 days we'll be in 2026. OMG. So today I'm going to share with y'all a recipe that it is a must-have in the South. There's 4 things: pork, greens, cornbread, and black-eyed peas. We're going to make collard greens, and greens represents money. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is loaded with flavor. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy these. Perfect for any time of the year. Soul Food Sunday, also great for your Kwanzaa celebration. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more greens and cabbage recipes, check out my greens and cabbage recipes playlist and my previous video, thumbprint cookies. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pot, your smoked turkey, and get your collard greens chopping sugar, because we're about to cook some collard greens magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our vegetables. On my cutting board, I have a large yellow onion and 3 cloves of garlic. You can also use a white onion. We're going to chop them up finely. Alrighty, our onion and garlic are nicely chopped. We are ready to cook them. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 1/4 cup, which is a half a stick or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use vegetable, canola, coconut, olive, whatever your heart desire. The butter will give it flavor and has a nice water content, and the oil will give it a nice fry to the vegetables. Going to twirl it around so the butter and the oil can coat the bottom of the pot, and just let it get hot and the butter melts. And as soon as it gets hot and the butter melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our pot is hot and the butter has melted. So now we're going to add in our chopped onion. Give it a stir. And we're going to let it cook until the onions translucent, about 3 minutes. Alright, my friends, our onions is nice and translucent. So now we're going to add in our chopped garlic. And give it a quick stir. We're going to let it cook for another 2 minutes. My friends, it smells so good up in here. Nothing like onions and garlic cooking. It's about to be something magical. Alrighty, now it's time to add in our other ingredients. 1 cup of water. 8 cups of chicken broth. And a pound of smoked turkey. I'm using the turkey necks, or you can use the leg or the wing. You can also use a ham hock if you like. Going to cut the fire up to high and bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our smoked turkey necks has came to a boil. So now we're going to cut the fire down to simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 1 hour. And while the turkey necks are cooking, let's work on our collard greens. Aren't they pretty? I'm going to show you step by step on how to pick them and clean them. On my cutting board, I have 3 bunches of fresh collards. We're going to remove them from the stem. And you can remove them 2 different ways. You can pull them off like this. And we're going to roll it into a cigar and chop it up using my knife. And keep your fingers out the way. Or you can just pick the leaves off the stem. Roll it into a cigar and chop it up. just like that. All right, as soon as I get through with the rest of my collard greens, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through chopping up my collard greens. Now it's time to clean them. Let's head over to the sink. My sink is nice and clean, and I'm running some cold water. So we're going to pour the collard greens in, like so. Make sure they submerge in the cold water. You got to get rid of all that dirt, and sometimes it be bugs in those collard greens. That's why it's important to clean them in the sink. We're going to let them sit in the cold water for 6 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 6 minutes. Now we're going to rinse the greens and we're going to clean them again. Going to remove them from the water and drain and make some fresh, clean water. I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got my clean water. Now we're going to pour the greens back in. And again, make sure they submerge in the water. And we're going to let them sit in the water for another 6 minutes. All right, my friends, now we're going to remove them from the water and rinse them. And place them into my colander. Okie dokie, collard greens are nice and clean. Now they are ready to be cooked. Let's check on our turkey necks. Oh yes, turkey necks look good. So now we're going to add in our freshly cleaned collard greens. And don't worry if they fill up the pot, they'll wilt down while they're cooking. Going to stir them a little bit. And add in the rest of our greens. And this is a must-have when you're cooking greens. Please don't skip this step. We're going to add in a cupful of distilled white vinegar that will help our greens get tenderized. Now it's time to add in our yummy seasonings. 2 teaspoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of onion soup mix, a half a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder, kosher salt and black pepper to taste, or you can use white pepper. Stir them in until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to cover them and let them simmer for another hour. And make sure you stir them occasionally and add more chicken broth if necessary. I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell collard greens. Let's take a look. Oh yes. And you see how they wilted down and it changed the color? And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of collard greens cooking. You can smell them all over the house. And the best part of collard greens is this yummy Potlikker. Let's give it a taste, shall we? And see if it needs any more seasoning. Needs a little bit more pepper. Excellent. My mama and grandmother used to tell me the secret to a great pot of greens is the Potlikker. You want to season it well and stir it in. Alright, so now we're going to remove the turkey necks from the greens. We're going to shred the meat off the bone. We're going to pour the shredded meat back into the greens and discard the bones. Going to stir the shredded meat. Going to cover the pot and continue to cook for another 20 minutes. And then it is ready to serve. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern collard greens. Don't that look good? And look at that Potlikker and the shredded turkey. Off camera, I turned my fire off and removed it from the stove. So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my bowl right here. And of course, you can't have collard greens without some good old cornbread. This is some good eating right here. You can serve this as a side dish or a meal by itself. I'm going to add on a few dashes of hot sauce. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The greens are tender, perfectly cooked, and full of flavor. Now let's try some with some cornbread and a piece of smoked turkey and get some of that Potlikker so that cornbread can just soak in it. Oh, yes. Mmm. The turkey is also tender, and that Potlikker is super flavorful. Ain't nothing like a bowl of greens and cornbread. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Collard greens, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and Happy New Year.